Okay, internet. So, Puzzle Box 4.0. This is 4th edition now. We've been busy over Easter with the weather outside and all the lockdown business. So let's see how we can solve this. So this one is quite heavy. There's no holes or gaps or anything around. But something's happening inside. So let's see how we can solve it. So I'll be looking for keys, because I'm sure there will be some somewhere. As there's nothing to push in. Oh, something popped out. So there we go. There's the first one. Let's pop it in. So now we'll have two. They are very similar. Let's see if we can do something with that. Oh, there's another one popped out. Okay. So we've got now three. Nothing happens there. Quite a few options here. Still no result. So let's try the bigger one. This came from here. Let's solve the thing. Oh, something did happen. Pin came out. See if this will. No, okay. So I expect this to be the doors. Let's see how we can do. Press something here to pull it out. Okay, so let's see what happens when we do that. Something's blocking it, but I can't understand. There we go. Now we have inside a drawer with another puzzle and a key to take the stuff apart. So I suppose there's nothing left apart from taking the block apart. So let's see. It's been a while since I've done the puzzle. So let's see if I can still remember that. It sounds like a puzzle sound Monday, because it's Monday today. That's the one. There we go, so we've got white stuff already. The red one's not in the right place. Now we're looking better. Okay. So pop that on there. Pop that on there. Nice and easy. Okay, let's see what if this still starts coming back. And we need this one here. Now we've got two lines, which is pretty good. To the top. Okay, let's look for that. Okay. It's coming together. Alright. Oh yeah. And that solves another puzzle. And that will be it for today. Thank you.